Hello everyone, this is my Masternode guide, how to install your Masternode for NYXCOIN, and this guide is about hot wallet on Linux system. We will use Linux VPS on Ubuntu version 16 and 64-bit. Okay, we need a remote server VPS. It will be our Masternode wallet. We need the PuTTY software to communicate with our server, and we need 1001 or more NYX coins. So it will be better if you purchase on exchange before we start our installation. Okay, this is the plan. First we will deploy a VPS server and then we will configure it. After that we will install Sentinel, and final step will be starting our Masternode. Okay, first of all, I advise you to go to wallwt.com or any another website. Actually, doesn't matter, but I like its price. It will cost only $5 per month for you. So you can press the link, register here, and deploy your server. I made some instructions what to choose. So you have to choose a server location. It will be better if you choose the location that is near you, so you can communicate your server with a higher speed. I prefer Germany, Frankfurt, and choose a Ubuntu version 16, 64-bit, and $5 per month. Don't touch anything here. Just press your server name, NYX Masternode 1, and press deploy button. Okay, I have already did that step. I have my Masternode. I have my VPS server running now, and we have to see what is a real IP address and password. Just press your server, and this is your real IP address, external address, and password. If you press this button, you will see your password, or just copy. Okay. Okay, this is a detailed instruction what to do. Okay, next step, download PuTTY. Press here, and download PuTTY depend on your Windows version, 32-bit or 64-bit. I have already one, so just launch it, and copy your IP address and paste and press open. Probably you'll get message with accepting your SSH keys. Just press yes button. Okay, login as root. You will have the same login, you can see here. Enter. And password. Copy your password. And here's one more important thing. To paste your password, you have to press right click on your mouse. So right button click. If you press, then you will not see anything, but you must be sure that the data is inside. Just press enter button. That's it, you're inside your VPS. And for the future, I advise you always use the right click button to paste any text that you need. Okay, this step is done, and then next we'll upgrade our server so it can work correctly with NYX core software. Okay, just copy and paste one by one all the blue text. Paste, enter. Copy and paste, enter. It will ask to confirm. Press Y and enter. It is mentioned here. Copy next step. The system is upgrading now, so we have to wait to wait a few seconds. Okay, we are waiting now, and I will explain you one more thing. This manual is based on the wallet version 0.12.1.6. So if there will be any changes from the developers, they will release new wallet, then you have to go here and copy the fresh link. I will show you later how to do that. Okay, it's almost done. Just a few more seconds. Okay. It is now installing some important software, dependencies, images, configuration files, and so on. Okay, next step. Yes, enter. So we are going to install some libraries, software properties, and almost done. Okay, install, yes, enter. Now we can copy this one. And almost done. Okay, this one. Just press enter without Y. And this one. And this one. Paste. Yes, enter. Okay, this command will create NYX folder in your root folder, and cd command mean that we have to go inside the NYX folder. So create NYX folder and then go to NYX folder. Okay, we are now inside the NYX folder. If you will input pwd, then you will see where you now located in. So we can download the main software for the NYX wallet. To do if you want to do that, you just have to copy this link and paste, and it will start downloading now. And the next step will be unpack this file, remove the archive so we doesn't need it anymore, and go inside the unpacked folder. This means that commands must follow each other, but you also can copy paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So 3 commands inside one line. Okay, the file has already been downloaded, so we can just unpack it. Okay, paste and enter. It will unpack 4 files and go inside to NYX folder. automatically. And this command will make files will give files some permissions. It's important. Okay, this command will move files to system directory, so you can launch it from any directory. It doesn't need to go to NYX folder again. It's very important too. Okay, now go up from this folder. This command cd space and 2 dots, go up to the previous folder and remove the folder where was unpacked files keeping. It is empty now, so we doesn't need it. And now we can launch our core. NYXD space daemon. Okay, this message, if you see this message, then everything is going right, and NYX core is now starting to synchronize. Okay, now we have to wait until all the synchronization done. To check the status, you can copy this command and paste. As you can see, blockchain syncing fails. So we're gonna wait until this 4 became true. This one always stay fails, don't worry. And the Masternode sync must show like Masternode sync finished. So until we see all of that messages like this, there is no need to move to the next step. So we just wait. You can paste. You can paste command and check within 3 or 4 minutes. Now it's still syncing. Okay, our Masternode is now sync finished. You can see here, sync finished, true. Okay, all 4 points are now true. Okay, the next step, we will get our Masternode address. Okay, just keep it to any notepad file. To copy the text, you have to press Ctrl and Insert button and paste. Okay, this is our Masternode address. And next step, we have to generate our Masternode private key. Okay, this is our private key. Just select and press Ctrl and Insert on your keyboard and paste in text file. This is your private key. Okay, now we can send 1000 coins to the generated address and wait for 15 confirmations. It will take up to 30 minutes approximately. So I'm gonna send these coins now and come back for the next steps. Okay, I sent money and money has been successfully come to my wallet. To check it, you can enter the command NYXCOIN get wallet info. So you will see your balance is 1000. So we can continue. Go to this folder. This is a core folder where is your all configurations and wallet files keeping. Then you have to stop the server. And Nano is a text editor like a notepad in Windows. So we are gonna edit this nyx.conf file. This file must be filled with this text. just copy all the text, blue text, and paste here. All you have to change is replace the RPC user with your own username. Username can be any, but I am prevent you from using any symbols, numbers, and spaces. Just big and small alphabet, like my username for NYX Masternode, or anything you want, but don't use my username and password, because it must be unique. And this is very strong password, random, or anything you want. Okay. And also you have to change the external IP address. We can copy from here, from our server. Copy, go down, and paste. And finally, our masternode private key from step 2k. We have already copied it here, so you can just select without spaces, copy and paste. That's it. Once again, you have to change RPC user, RPC password, external IP, and masternode private key. Okay, now we need to change it to save changes. If you want to do that, you have to press Ctrl O on your keyboard to save the changes, press Enter to confirm, and finally press Ctrl X on your keyboard to exit editing this file. Next step, we have to find out our masternode outputs. So start our server, our daemon first. NYXD daemon. Okay, and paste. This is our collateral output text ID and collateral output index. This is the ID and this is the index. Just copy. Oh, sorry. To copy that, use again Ctrl and Insert buttons. Paste. This is a TX ID. And this one is your index. Okay. So now we want to edit masternode conf file. This string shows how it must be looks like. So go down, and first of all you have to write down your alias name. This is the name of your masternode, like NYX masternode 1. Press space. Next step, put your IP address followed by port. This is our IP address. Paste. And 4330 is our port. It's fixed for everybody. Press space. Copy your masternode private key from here. Copy, paste, and finally your output TXID and output index. This one is TXID space and index is 1. That's it. This file is ready. This step is ready. all you have to do is save changes in this file by pressing Ctrl O, enter, and Ctrl X for exit. We need to stop and start our server again so it can pick our Masternode conf file. Type next. NYXCOIN stop. And again start. And to refer to the next step, we have to wait until synchronization become true again. The next step will be installing the Sentinel. Actually, we can start it right now. Just copy and paste one by one. Check the Python version. This is a 2.7 is fine. Now go to the Nix folder and get some updates as we did it before. Sentinel helps you to it's like help you to restart your Masternode when it's necessary and prevent from message watchdog expired, because if the watchdog expired, the status of your Masternode will last too much time, then you have to restart your Masternode once a day. It's really doesn't comfortable, so we are making the Sentinel installation so it will watch for your Masternode all the time. Okay. Yes, and enter. Virtual environment. And finally, requirements. Okay, that's done. And cron tab will help us to run Sentinel once per minute. Press 2 for edit cron tab in Nano, and copy all this and paste, and press enter to move the string to the second line, so it must be looks like this, and Ctrl O to save, enter, and Ctrl X. Okay, we fixed cron tab, and next step we have to show the Sentinel where to search a NYXCOIN file. Open in Nano Sentinel configuration file, and there's a path to the folder. Paste it here and press enter to move this move this text to the second line. Okay, this is how it must be. Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X. Okay, Sentinel installation done. This is how we can test, but it will not work for now because we didn't start our Masternode, but we can try. This is a show. Most probably yes, our Masternode is not working, so it's not gonna work. Press Ctrl and C to exit from here, and the next step will be starting our Masternode. Just copy that and paste. Okay. Actually there was not 15 confirmations for start, so we're gonna wait a little bit more, and after 15 confirmations we can start our Masternode without any problems. So let's wait. Okay, let's try again to start our Masternode, and Masternode successfully started. That's done. And if you want to check your Masternode status, just copy and paste this command, and it shows your AP address, your payment, your wallet address, and the status Masternode successfully started. Okay, and if you want to check your balance, again paste this one. It will show the okay, this we have immature balance and then total coins on your wallet. If you have enough coins to send it to somewhere, you can use this command and paste some address and space and amount, how many coins you want to send, and press enter. So that's it. Congratulations, your Masternode is working now. And once again we can try to launch Sentinel test. Okay, if you see something like this, that does mean your Sentinel is working fine. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.